Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2944. Today's date is the 29 November, 28 November 2023. It's almost like a night at 11:27 p.m. All right. So what exactly happened today? Regarding about the project. All right. So till like basically yesterday I completed 4 files. One file is remaining. One file is actually done before the lunch. Okay, and after the lunch I was started doing editing. Okay, so I have almost like a 5 parts to edit. So till this now I completed 2 parts. Okay, 3 parts are remaining, but the problem is not done yet. Okay, because the after I edit the every part, the total length like basically is that ki after I extract the things that I should supposed to put on the main timeline on one part is almost like a 7 to 8 minute, averagely 7 to 8 minute. Okay, sometime it goes 10 minute, sometime it goes 7 minute. So my average guessing is that let's guess 7 minute. Okay, I have 5 parts, so that means 7 okay 7 35 like basically the main video will become 35 minute, which is like and 35 minute is kind of like something really minimum from 35 minute to 40 or 35 to 40 minute. Okay, so my average video length will be 35 to 40 minute, was like a really long video. Okay, I want to export like my final file should supposed to be less than 15. So the main problem is that key, how should I supposed to compress uh, 40 minute of file into 15 minute, which is little bit of difficult, but I don't know. Okay, not I don't know. Basically, is that na ki I just have to remove the things which I shouldn't supposed to stay on the timeline, and sometimes I don't know. Okay, I just have to figure it out. Okay, let's make it. Let's in the editing process. I just have to figure it out, but make sure that the entire timeline should supposed to be less than 15 minute or maybe 15 minute, 15, 16, 17. Okay, try not to cross 20 minute. Okay, which is like a no. So big problem. All right, so I just have to figure it out. Okay, not figure it out, first of all, what is actually things that I should supposed to do. Like 2 part is already done after the edit, after compress everything. Okay, 3 part is remaining. Till the end of this day 3 part will be done, and after I edit every part, then I just have to make one single timeline. Okay, I just have to combine all parts, part 1 to part 5, all those parts has to be combined, then figure it out the length of the timeline, and then it's kind of like something really very, I don't know. Okay, किस तरह से होगा मुझे नहीं पता, बट स्टिल यू जस्ट हैव टू फिगर इट आउट कि हाँ हाँ ये यस then music and things like that. So okay, so question is ki when this video will done, because today is the 28th of November. My last video that I uploaded at 25 November, so that means my next video, this video has to be uploaded before 30 November. Today is the 28th, so that means tomorrow means 29, and day after tomorrow is the 30, so that means I have 2 days. Within 2 days will it be done? Yes, will it be? Yeah, definitely done. Because of that till the end of this tomorrow I will complete the entire timeline. Then I have almost like a 30-40 minute of timeline, then I just have to chop. But dude, yeah, after there is a effects, and in during the effects it has a lot of things. Okay, I'm actually playing car for sale simulator. I just have to zoom in lots of things. Okay, so effect, dude, effect is really matter. Whoa, it's for the effect na, it took me for the entire day or at least like a 2 days to complete the like basically na the effect has to be done after I complete the timeline, after I complete the exact timeline that I should supposed to be upload on YouTube. That means like before the before applying effects, I just have to make the timeline less than 20 minutes. So that means I have to do this thing tomorrow. Means like tomorrow what should I supposed to do? Tomorrow I have to complete 3 files. Okay, then I just have to merge all those files. After I merge all those files, I just have to compress even more. Like after I merge, the entire length of file is almost like a 30-40 minute. Then I'll have to compress even more. So after I compress 30-40 minute, I don't know, just like like basically what I'm trying to tell you, till the end of the tomorrow, I just have to complete timeline. Okay, I just have to like a complete timeline without effects. Okay, 29 November. That means like a 30 November, till the end of 30 November, I will complete the effects. And if the effects is done, then I just have to add the music. Then I should supposed to say that ki video will done by till the end of 30 November, which is like a really difficult because tomorrow's task is actually bit will depend on that. But like what is like till the end of this day na, like there is some sort of like a tomorrow till today I did some sort of thing that like little bit of wait. Okay, so what is actually problem was that he like today till the end of this day I just have to complete at least 3 file. Okay, 3 file, but I completed only 2 file. So what is actually the problem? Like problem was that na ki today my maushi is was came. Okay, she came and like basically is that na it's kind of like a little bit of guest at home. So um, I couldn't able to focus fully, and that's why it did happen. I will make sure that after the end of this artifact episode, I will try to complete third file. Okay, at least complete or something like that. Key, like basically chopping the things which is I don't know, dude. It's kind of like a something like every part is really important, but still, I just have to figure it out. Because in the editing process, it is whatever. Okay, the problem shouldn't supposed to be solved if I talk in this artifact episode. It required to do my thing. All right, yeah, whatever. Okay, so all right, there is also one thing. People is actually kind of like a mention to me that I became little bit of fat. Okay, my sister told me, my other sister told me, Sonutai Prijitai, as also one of my friend is also told me that I am became little bit of puff. Okay, थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया है. And as also I'm feeling that my stomach is bit really bigger. Okay, and bigger. So what should I supposed to do? Okay, am I actually eating a lot? Actually I'm not. Okay, like I'm not eating that much. Usually is that na कि like basically I'm not saying that कि मैं बहुत कम खा रहा हूँ नहीं. Usually like what is the thing that I should supposed to eat almost like a 6 months ago or way before that, like a 3 roti and थोड़ा सा भात. Yeah, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा खा रहा हूँ, but it's just like that ना कि somehow these are the changes that actually happened because it's supposed to be happen naturally. Let me tell you one thing. one of my friend Badal suddenly got little bit of puff. Okay, within almost like a 6 months. 6 months ago, he was bit little bit of like a kind of like a slope. Okay, but right now he became little bit of puff. He was bit really skinny person. Okay, but right now he bit really little bit of puff. Okay, I also feeling that thing. As also my one of my brother is also have also became little bit of puff. So usually I'm thinking that after they cross 30, they became little bit of puff. But how should it supposed to be happen? Like I'm actually exercise. I do exercise every day. Running is kind of like a thing. I do run every day too. I do run today. I do run yesterday. I do run from last entire year. I was running. So how should I supposed to become puff? Yeah, usually it shouldn't supposed to be happen. Well, it's kind of like something natural process because of that ki your body is actually generate lot of energy. Okay, like I'm actually feeling that now. Like most of the energy is actually in my stomach. I think that, and I do have a little bit of bigger stamina. Is it good or is it bad? It's not. It's neither a good. It's neither bad. It's a natural thing. Okay, it's a kind of like a something really a natural phenomena. It is actually happened to the most of people, and just let it through this thing. Okay, try not to do anything kind of like something really good or bad. Whatever you are doing, it's good, great. Don't really think about that. Okay, yeah, but dude, I don't really like this fat stomach. No, it's not that fat, dude. Okay, just do exercise every day. That's it. Okay, that's it. Fine. All right. So this is all those things happened till the end of this day. Okay. So should we jump to the question? All right. Let's jump to the question. Okay. So another question is emotional intelligence. Well, I do talk about emotional intelligence, exercise, art, and practice. Okay, ability and resilience. All right. So question is, how well do I adopt to change? How well do I adopt to change? Okay. So what is actually happen? Okay. So in actually we are actually a human. Okay, and we do have some sort of things to do, like a work, career, job, shadi, paisa, lots of things. Okay. So suddenly, as a human life is actually changes from time to time. Okay, and time to time means like that. Ki like basically, let me tell you one thing is that as a person, एक 17 साल का नौजवान लड़का है, उसे कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिल गया. He went to college, and his college is literally far away from his home. He went to Delhi. Okay, till the till the entire lifetime, he never really went to the big city, and suddenly he went to the big city for the college. Okay, and he went to the big city. He find out that the changes are bit really something really different. Okay, it's a kind of like a something really big changes that he didn't really expect that. Okay, like this and that and that and that, like basically जो नॉर्मल खाना जो वो ज़िंदगी भर हमेशा खाता था, वो ऐसे बिग सिटी में मिलता ही नहीं. इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली नॉर्मल फूड वगैरह वगैरह और बहुत सारी चीज़ें. ओके, फॉर दोज थिंग्स. बट ये काफ़ी माइनर प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, लाइक खाने के लिए चीज़ें नहीं मिलती वगैरह वगैरह. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट पीपल शुडंट सपोज टू handle the changes is that key emotional support. What do you mean by that? Like, just an example, कि हम वही एग्जांपल कंटिन्यू करते हैं वह जहाँ पे ये लड़का कॉलेज में गया. सो बेसिकली his age is 17. He has his friend at his hometown. और उसके सारे दोस्त थे वो काफ़ी लाइक दे आर एक्चुअली वेरी बॉन्ड टुगेदर. उनकी दोस्ती बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. ओके. सडनली लाइक बेसिकली लाइफ में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट वैल्यूज़ क्या होते हैं? सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट लाइक हैप्पीनेस. ओके. सडनली एज अ पर्सन वेंट टू द कॉलेज. जो हैप्पीनेस का जो फैक्टर था, जो जो उसके होम टाउन में उसके दोस्त वो हैप्पीनेस का जो वैल्यू वो फील करते थे, बड़े सिटी में उसके कोई फ्रेंड है ही नहीं. सो ही डिडंट रियली गेट एनी हैप्पीनेस. सो if he didn't really get any happiness, so little bit of kind of like a thing, little bit of negative towards that city. यानी वो सोचने लगता है कि यार मैं इस बड़े सिटी में आ गया, आई नेवर रियली वांट टू कम टू सिटी बट आई केम फॉर दिस कॉलेज and that's why I came for this city, and usually things are really not good. Okay, he was actually expecting that. Okay, so kabhi kabhi log like basically as a person has a kind of like a something really very attached to the person at somewhere, but that person is very far away. तो उस वजह से नहीं क्या लोग चेंजेस इतनी easily adopt नहीं कर पाते हैं. Okay, which is kind of like a something really normal thing. Okay, most of the people कर लेते हैं, but a very few people is actually didn't really handle the changes. Okay, yeah, like almost like 100 out of 99 people are actually handle the changes. Okay, जो 1% होता है वो changes को adopt नहीं कर पाते हैं. अभी like how is exactly people is actually handle those changes. लाइक क्या होता है ना कि पीपल एक्चुअली वेंट एट समवेयर सिटी. सडनली सब कुछ चेंज होता है. माँ बाप नहीं रहते, दोस्त नहीं रहते, कोई रिश्तेदार नहीं होता, हैप्पीनेस कहीं से मिलती नहीं. आप कॉलेज जा रहे हो, यू डोंट रियली गेट एनीथिंग एट ऑल. ओके, सडनली कॉलेज में भी जिस तरह से लोग मिल रहे हैं वो लोग काफ़ी अच्छे नहीं है, या सडनली जो उनके प्रति जो व्यवहार है दैट इज़ नॉट रियली पॉजिटिव. सो हम काफ़ी अलग सोचने लगते हैं कि एम आई डूइंग समथिंग रियली मिस्टेक इन माई लाइफ वगैरह वगैरह. ओके, बट यूजुअली हम खुद को संभाल लेते हैं क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द चेंजेस इज एक्चुअली हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ सम सॉर्ट ऑफ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ओके, क्योंकि वो बंदा स्कूल से कॉलेज जा रहा है तो कॉलेज इज़ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली वेरी बिग फैक्टर जो उसे उस सिटी में रोक के रखता है. ओके, अगर आप कॉलेज से लेकर अगर जॉब कर रहे हो, जॉब किसी और सिटी में कर रहे हो, तो उस एग्जाम्पल में जॉब एक वन ऑफ द होल्ड फैक्टर रहता है जो आपको उस सिटी में होल्ड रखता है. ओके, या आपकी शादी होने के बाद वगैरह वगैरह, शादी होने के बाद आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है, तो या यू हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक आपकी शादी होने के बाद आपको अभी इसी सिटी में रहना है, यू हैव दिस थिंग. ओके, सो हाँ, ये सारी चीज़ें होती है क्योंकि ये आपको एक तरह से होल्ड रखती है, और होल्ड रखने के बाद आप एक तरह से लाइक गिव अप कर देते हो कि हाँ चलो कोई हैप्पीनेस मिल गया, नहीं मिला, ओके दैट्स फाइन, बट राइट नाउ आई हैव अ जॉब, आई हैव कॉलेज, और आई हैव लाइक आई एम मैरिड, whatever the example I have, I just have to stick with that because in the end it's my future. Okay, so usually 100 out of 99 people think about from that perspective, और वो उसी perspective को आगे लेकर चेंजेस को हैंडल कर लेते हैं, काफ़ी चेंजेस को काफ़ी इजीली अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं. ऑलराइट, one person couldn't really handle the changes. Who are those one person? Well, ये लोग वो person है like बेसिकली ना उनके लाइफ में हर चीज़ बिल्कुल उनके हिसाब से हुई है फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. ओके, तो वो लोग इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, और मोस्टली जो ये 1% लोग होते हैं ये काफ़ी रिच पीपल होते हैं. ओके, वो चेंजेस को काफ़ी इजीली अडॉप्ट नहीं कर पाते, दे जस्ट लाइक या. सो बट ये 100 आउट ऑफ 1% होता है. 99% of people are actually adopt the changes. The question is that कि how do I handle the changes? Okay, like how do I adopt the changes that actually happen? I handle very easily, very good. Okay, and basically is that ना कि sometimes some changes are really good, sometimes some changes are really bad, but I went through a lot of things that kind of like something really shouldn't supposed to happen, but it did happen with me, and I handle that changes. Okay, like when I went to that Khaparkheda power station, things are really not that good, but still I just stick to that. I did a job for 1 year. Every day is kind of like a bit really challenging for me, but yeah, I stay there. Okay, and yeah, I also say that ki I'm also part of that 99% of people. So yeah, I do handle, I do adopt the changes. All right. Next question. What strategy do I use to bounce back from the setback? What strategy do I use bounce back from the setback? I do understand this question, but I just wanted to confirm that the question that I'm understanding is exactly like this or something else. Okay, so let me go to the chat GPT. Then best. Okay. To bounce back from the setback, focus on reflecting. Analyze the situation to understand what went wrong and why. Learning. Identify lesson from setback. Use it as opportunity for personal growth. Setting small goals. Break down larger objective into smaller, manageable tasks for sense of accomplishment. Building a support system. Surround yourself with a positive influence and seek support from friends, family, and mentor. Maintaining perspective. Remember that setbacks are temporary and setbacks don't define overall progress. Adapting and adjusting. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plan based on what you will learn. Stay positive. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on what you can control and finding silver lining. Taking care of yourself. Ensure proper self care, including rest, exercise, and activities that bring you joy. Remember, resilience is a skill that develop over time with practice. Okay, so what is actually the question? Question says that key what strategies do I use to bounce back from the setback? So what is that is setback? Setback means like that the things is actually happened not good. ओके, यानी मान लेते हैं कि आपको जॉब से निकाल दिया, बुरी बात है ना, लाइक थिंग्स इज़ नॉट गुड. ओके, आपका रिसेंटली ब्रेकअप हुआ, नॉट गुड. आपको सडनली एग्ज़ाम में सारे सब्जेक्ट में फेल हो गए, नॉट गुड. ओके, सो इस वजह से आप यानी लाइक एज अ पर्सन गेट लिटिल बिट ऑफ फील समथिंग रियली लाइक क्या हो गया मेरे साथ. लाइक अगर आपका ब्रेकअप हो जाने के बाद यू डोंट रियली अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग एट ऑल. ओके, या आपको जॉब से निकल दिया तो यू डोंट रियली अंडरस्टैंड मे बी क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया, या आपके क्लास में सारे सब्जेक्ट फेल हो गए. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट इज द फक दिस हैपेंड. तो ऐसी चीज़ें होने के बाद या ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही है या व्हाट इज़ दैट लाइक अगर ऐसी चीज़ें होने के बाद आप किस तरह से खुद को लाइक व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली यू शुड सपोज टू प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम दोज थिंग्स, और दोज थिंग्स आर हैपेंड, देन what should you supposed to do to overcome that setback, overcome that kind of like a something really not good thing. So what is actually practice should I supposed to do? According to ChatGPT, they say that reflecting means analyze the situation to understand what went wrong and why. या अगर आप क्लास में फेल हो गए हो तो अंडरस्टैंड करो कि क्यों फेल हो गए हो. आपने पढ़ाई नहीं की, या आपने पढ़ाई की, आपने एग्ज़ाम भी दिए, आपके एग्ज़ाम भी अच्छे गए, बट स्टिल यू गॉट फेल. सो आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि एग्जैक्टली रॉन्ग क्या हुआ है, क्योंकि मैंने एग्ज़ाम तो प्रॉपरली दिया. लाइक बेसिकली अगर आप लाइक लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, आपने पढ़ाई की, आपने एग्ज़ाम भी अच्छे दिए, बट सडनली आपके सारे सब्जेक्ट फेल हो गए, तो आपको सोचने लगता है ना कि डूड ये कैसे हो सकता है. क्योंकि हाँ चलो कम मार्क्स मिल गए कोई बात नहीं, सब्जेक्ट में सीधा फेल हो जाना इस काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली दैट कि ये कैसे हो सकता है डूड. क्योंकि मैंने तो पढ़ाई की और मैंने एग्ज़ाम दिया, तो एग्ज़ाम में भी मैं काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंट था कि मुझे इतने इतने मार्क्स मिलेंगे. सम हाउ एट सम सर्टन टाइम शायद मार्क्स थोड़े कम मिलेंगे, बट मैं फेल तो नहीं हो जाऊँगा ना. तो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू नो कि व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली रॉन्ग हैपन. तो मैं रीचेकिंग के लिए फॉर्म डालूंगा कि I just wanted to recheck or maybe kind of like a send me kind of like a Xerox of my paper, whatever it is. Okay, you just have to figure it out कि आप कौन से, like I just wanted to recheck my exam. Okay, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. ओके, माइट बी काइंड ऑफ लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ग्लिचेस कि किसी और का रिजल्ट तुम्हारे ऊपर छप गया होगा शायद. सो दीज आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ थिंग. ओके, और अभी इसके बाद मान भी लेते हैं कि चलो आपका एग्जाम में कुछ तो लफड़ा हो गया एंड आफ्टर यू अप्लाई रीचेकिंग बट स्टिल यू गॉट द सेम मार्क, देन प्रॉब्लम होगा कि आपने जो पढ़ाई की है दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग. ओके, जो जिस तरह से आपने सब्जेक्ट को क्लैरिफाई किया गया है, जो जिस तरह से आपने आंसर लिखे गए थे वो आंसर कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग थे. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ चलो ये गलती हो गई, ये गलती हो गई, ये गलती हो गई, ये गलती हो गई, ये गलती हो गई. अंडरस्टैंड करो सिचुएशन को, फिगर इट आउट करो. ओके, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्टिंग. ओके, रिफ्लेक्टिंग ना, या दैट इज़ कॉल्ड REFLECTING, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्टिंग, टू एनालाइज थिंग्स कि व्हाट इज़ एक्चुअली रॉन्ग, चीज़ें क्यों रॉन्ग हुई, एग्ज़ाम में फेल हो गए. तो अगर आपकी ब्रेकअप हो गया तो अंडरस्टैंड करो कि व्हाट इज़ एक्चुअली द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, मोस्टली इज़ दैट थिंग कि अगर प्रॉब्लम हुई है, ओके, आप लाइक बेसिकली ब्रेकअप होने के बाद ना काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट चीज़ हो जाती है. ओके, सो द पर्सन यू आर गोइंग टू ब्रेकअप, और जिसके साथ आपका ब्रेकअप हुआ है उसके साथ आप बात करो, अंडरस्टैंड देम कि व्हाट इज़ एक्चुअली द प्रॉब्लम, हुआ क्या, व्हाट इज़ एक्चुअली द प्रॉब्लम, हुआ क्या, और व्हाई इज़ द रीज़न. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, जॉब से निकाल दिया तो फाइंड आउट द रीज़न व्हाई दे डिड दैट. ओके, मेरे परफॉर्मेंस की कुछ गलती हुई वगैरह वगैरह. रिफ्लेक्टिंग इज रियली अंडरस्टैंडिंग, फर्स्ट पॉइंट. So do I do that? Okay, do I kind of like do that? Yes, like basically for me मेरा हर एक project kind of like something really reflecting, यानी like basically day before like my previous project. Okay, one of my previous project is going really good, but my previous project is not really good. Like Akinator video is going really good, but then after that I upload City Skyline video. City Skyline video is not really going good. Why? What is actually problem? I analyze that कि the first 30 seconds of the intro sequence is not really good in the City Skyline video. Okay, it's the people is not actually hooked that कि they should supposed to watch the entire video, which is also really essential to understand that people should supposed to hook for the entire video, and that is a big problem. Okay, I haven't really like have kind of like a something really hooked for the watch entire video, so that's why people didn't really watch the video. Mostly depend on the intro, not only intro but as also the kind of like something subject of the video too. Okay, so yeah, I just have to maintain it, make it something really good as possible as I can. Okay, so analyze this thing and try to fix that in the next project. All right, then next point is that learning. Identify lesson from the setback, use it as opportunity for personal growth. Already mentioned, चीज़ें क्या गलती हुई समझ के उसे अंडरस्टैंड करो एंड ट्राई नॉट टू डू दिस थिंग अगेन. थर्ड पॉइंट, setting a small goal, break down larger objective into smaller manageable task for sense of accomplishment. चीज़ें को ब्रेक डाउन करो. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली अगर लाइक आई जस्ट हैव टू मेक अ वीडियो, सो वीडियो में बहुत सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं, प्रोडक्शन, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन, मोस्टली फॉर द यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ मेरा काम प्रोडक्शन में होता है और मोस्टली सारा काम पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में होता है. ओके, इन द पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, लाइक आई जस्ट हैव टू एनकोड, decode, then after that synchronize, then after that audio effects. उसके बाद फिर एक एंटायर टाइमलाइन की एक लेंथ बनती है, फिर उसको सेपरेट किया जाता है 30 मिनट में. ईच पार्ट हैज़ टू बी डन डिफरेंटली. ओके, पहले चीज़ों को चॉपिंग किया जाता है, जहाँ पे गैप से उसको रिमूव किया जाता है. ओके, फिर आई जस्ट हैव टू एडिट. ओके, छोटे छोटे गोल हैज़ ऑल्सो, दोज आर द गोल्स आर हैज़ टू बी डन every day. Yesterday I thought that, yesterday I tasked myself that I have to do it 4 part. I did it. Today I just I given task to myself that I just have to edit 3 parts, but I did it 2 parts. One part I didn't really did it because of the guest was came. So yeah, I do such thing like that, setting small goal and kind of like a divide in small thing, so that every day I can feel that कि हाँ मैंने कुछ accomplish किया है. Then fourth is building support system. Support yourself with a positive influence. I do artifact episode, it gives me positive influence. Seek support from the friend and family and mentor. Well, this is not gonna happen because most of the, like, I'm doing YouTube in my surrounding area, फ्रेंड फैमिली में ऐसे कोई भी लोग नहीं है जिस तरह जिसे यूट्यूब के बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी है वगैरह वगैरह. एज दे डोंट रियली फेमिलियर विद ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो ये काफ़ी वियर्ड होता है. सो आई डोंट रियली हैव काइंड ऑफ लिटिल बिट, हाँ दे काइंड ऑफ लाइक सपोर्ट मी फॉर दैट कि आई विल डू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ गुड थिंग. बट एट दिस मोमेंट I didn't really have kind of like something like support from friend, family and mentor तो mostly on the social media, तो हाँ थोड़ा बहुत मिल जाता है. But for this question, mentor is actually meant as a kind of like a person who is actually kind of like a giving you mentor to achieve things that you want. And ऐसा कोई इंसान अभी तक नहीं है एज अ फिजिकल. ओके, सोशल मीडिया में ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो मोटिवेट करते हैं, संदीप माहेश्वरी, विवेक बिंद्रा, लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल. ऑलराइट. Fourth point, maintaining perspective. Remember that setback are temporary. Yeah, I do think that. मैं चीज़ों को काफ़ी अंडरस्टैंड करता हूँ. कभी कोई प्रोजेक्ट गलत हो जाता है, आई जस्ट लेट इट गो. ओके, चीज़ों को अंडरस्टैंड कर दिया, फाइन, ऑलराइट. एंड डोंट डिफाइन ओवरऑल प्रोग्रेस. या आई लाइक दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ लाइक माई थिंग. लाइक अगर चीज़ें गलती हो जाती है, लाइक बेसिकली लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. ओके, मेरे लाइफ में फ्रॉम 2016 to 2020 4 year I was doing a job, and right now I'm doing YouTube. Completely different than things that I did all those 4 year. Right now I'm doing YouTube. Okay, बिल्कुल अलग ही चीज़ है. Okay, and like basically all those 4 year was completely lost. I like job, like basically is that ना कि like this kind of like something like trauma to me, that कि all my 4 year was entirely thing went away. Okay, कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. Okay, but still after that I just hold myself. I just realize that कि हाँ चलो ये चीज़ें हुई है, I just have to accept this thing and just like move forward. कोई बात नहीं, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. That's it. Okay, so basically is that ना ओवरऑल प्रोग्रेस में सेटबैक्स या गलत चीज़ें बस एक सर्टन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए होती है. एंड नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, सो आई एम रियली गुड विद दैट. ओके, ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट थिंग, adapting and adjusting. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plan based on the what you learn. Yes. Do I have kind of like a flexibility? Yes, I do have flexibility. क्योंकि कभी भी चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से नहीं होती. Yeah, like making a video, you have to edit, you have to do this thing, do that. But suddenly बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं. Like basically today suddenly guest come out. Okay, suddenly guest came to my home. So I just have to do some certain thing. Okay, like I just have to, like, I went to market, bring this, bring that, वगैरह. Like basically guests, I just have to spend a little bit time with them because they just actually come like after, like once in a year or once in a 2-3 years. So yeah. Okay, so I just have to adjust that thing. Okay, कभी कभी चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से नहीं होती, so you just have to adjust. Sometime like you don't really have a laptop to edit, you don't really have anything, so what should you supposed to do? Should you stop edit? No. Okay, you just have to find another laptop, figure it out how should you supposed to edit on that laptop, because at this moment you don't really have a laptop. So yeah, adjusting thing. And do I have kind of like a thing? Yes, I do have kind of like a thing that I can adjust. सिचुएशन के हिसाब से मैं चीज़ों को एडजस्ट कर लेता हूँ. and within a 4 year I realize myself that कि I do have kind of like a thing that कि हाँ मैं चीज़ों को काफ़ी easily adjust कर देता हूँ. Alright. Next point, staying positive. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on what you can control and finding silver lining. So staying positive. Do I have kind of like a positive attitude? Yes, I'm positive attitude और पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट से ही मैं आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करता हूँ. and yeah, it's good, it's a great. Yeah, I'm do record artifact episode every day, so because of artifact, yeah. Next point, taking care of yourself. I do take care of myself. Wake up every day, do my work, do my exercise. I do spend time with those friends because they give me happiness as a kind of like something really important as also. So yeah, so these are kind of like my strategies to bounce back my setback. Okay, yeah. So these are the questions. All right. So this is it. This then should I supposed to end? Yeah. Thank you.